So hey folks, I am here. We're going to do an event in about 2 weeks at this space here, and as a general GP, I like to come out and test the internet stream so that I know what I'm dealing with. So this one, let me go back here to where we're at. This facility only has the residential, where is it at here? Residential AT&T router. I have this actually at my house, and I suspect that it's not going to be good. So we're going to go out here and run a speed test. Let me get over here to the go. That was the speed from the last one. And if it takes this long, actually the ping got a little bit better. But as you can see, download speed is at around 1. It may peak at 2. So as we can see, the download speed is not too good, and I have a feeling that the upload speed will not be any better. So what I did was I tested my wireless hotspot, which happens to be AT&T. And that may be the joint, because I'm going to show you how much that speed was for my hotspot. The main reason why you want to come out to your facility is to test the internet speed if you are live streaming, because that is the backbone of the whole service. So if the internet speed sucks, then you may have a problem, or you're going to have a problem with your live stream. Now, if it even works, and as you're testing, you're trying to send something out and it is glitching, not being a stable stream, then you're in trouble. That's why I come out and check the internet connection and speed and stability of the internet in the venue that I'm in, just to see if I need to settle on making a change in what I do, and if I need to bring in internet myself, which at this point we're looking at a live view unit. It's not going to be a heavily attended meeting, I don't think, but we can bring a live view unit in, have a Verizon card and an AT&T card, and that should do us fine. I'm actually going to check my hotspot speed of my hotspot and see what kind of speed we get with that. I've already checked it, and I got about 22 megs up. So that should be plenty to do what we need to do, but I don't want to rely on that if I have to. I would rather rely on a hardline dedicated line, but sometimes it is not afforded. So you just have to let the client know that, hey, I've checked out the internet speed, which I did. They're going to get their engineers to come out, doing a live stream for the city of Atlanta, and see if they can do something with the internet speed here in the facility. But that will be, we'll see. And in the meantime, I need to, as a live streamer, kind of figure out how I'm gonna do this and make this work. And that may incur some extra cost, but you know, you want to get your stream out. I want to get your stream out. So whatever way we can do to do that would be in my best interest to at least approach that. So I'll get back to you. I'm gonna show you the internet speed for the hotspot. So we're back, and I'm going to show y'all what kind of speed I get with an AT&T Nighthawk router that has basically it's the AT&T hotspot. So I've connected my cord. That's what I like about this router, is you can go hardwire or wireless. Even though it still is a cellular signal, you still can hardwire that cellular signal and give you a little bit more, security, more than you would if you just did it Wi-Fi. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna do a speed test on that modem. And as that's going, another reason why you want to come over and do a speed test and test your internet connection is you may have connection, but you may not get out to the sites that you need to get out to, because it may be firewalled in the end, in the back. For this speed test, I use speedtest.net. Some other good speed test applications are speakeasy.net and testmy.net. The most important number you should be looking at when live streaming is your upload speed. And in this case, the upload speed is 23.58. So at that speed, and if the cellular signal holds up, I should be good to live stream this event with no problems. Ideally, I would not want to use a hotspot, but if that's all you have, that's all you have. And as long as your hotspot speed is kind of high and there are not that many people at this event, which I don't think it will be a lot of people, it's probably be 100 or so, which I think uploading would be fine in that instance. I've done it with a little bit more, but it all depends on what the people are doing, but you're at the mercy of what they're doing. So, and like I said earlier, the reason why you test your connection is to make sure that you can get out, that your signal is not blocked, firewalled, or anything like that. So this is what you need to do. If you hire somebody to come do a live stream, they should test this sometime during that leading up to it to make sure that you can have fast enough internet to do what you're going to push through, and you also want to make sure that they can hit the sites that they can, that is not firewalled out, so that you're like out of luck. So hope this kind of gave you some indication of what you should be looking for when you're testing a live stream location, testing out the internet, what to look for and what you should look for if you're hiring somebody to do a live stream. If they don't test, they don't show up, if they don't want to do a test, there's something wrong. You may be in trouble. So that test day is very, very important for folks to come in and do their diagnostic and do their tech stuff, excuse me, so that when they do come, everybody has what they need, your content gets out, and the live stream is stable and solid. So this has been Kevin Hill for Agego Communications, and be sure you test out your live stream, your internet connection, before you go up. Talk to you later. Peace.